Hello Kitty asked me to celebrate her birthday by creating her birthday cake. A cake decorated with mini peanut butter cupcake decorations, Tiny Chum cookies, and Hello Kitty cookie cake toppers. Hello you, it's me, Rox of Rockstar Bakes. If you're new here, my passion is helping you make sweet treats. Because adults need cute things too. I noticed Hello Kitty's teddy bear was in the artwork. And coincidentally, I already had the Tiny Chum cookie cutter. Color the remaining dough brown. Roll your dough to 1/4 inch thick. Don't make Tiny Chum too thin, it makes his limbs very fragile. Oops, some of the dough came off. Perfect. Stamp Tiny Chum's outer shape with a cutter. Stamp his face. If the dough is sticking to the stamp, refrigerate and then continue stamping. Again, wrap everything in saran wrap and refrigerate for at least half an hour. Remove plastic wrap and bake for 10 minutes at a preheated 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the cookies cool on the pan completely. I thought the best way to complete him was to dress him up with his bow. It's basically 2 heart sprinkles and a little round one adhered with a little candy melt. I was tempted to touch some of the Tiny Chum when he was warm, and some of the arms broke off. Sadness. If this cake wasn't cute enough with the cookie decorations, I had to go all the way and make miniature sprinkle cupcakes to accent the cake. I mean, it's in the artwork. I make 2 sets of bite-sized cupcakes, one for the side of the cake and one for the top of the cake. For the cupcakes that go on the top of the cake, I color the miniature peanut butter cups in pink luster dust. I keep some Swiss meringue buttercream white and pipe a little frosting on the pink cupcake bottom. Pipe a little frosting with your favorite tip. I love the 32 and 21 tip onto mini peanut butter cups to make a cupcake. I pipe pink SMPC onto the white peanut butter cup. Add me some nonpareil sprinkles. Then let's sit in the fridge for half an hour. I heat up the knife. This is the good stuff because it makes it easier to slice the cupcake without the frosting moving or squishing. Then I cut the cupcakes in half with a warm knife. I like the pop of color the dot provides. Use a toothpick to place some of the chocolate onto some of the cupcake. Press the cupcake onto Tiny Chum's bare belly. Bare belly? Bare belly? Ooh, that's a pun. Okay, we're back to the frosted cake. So smooth. Before I started hearing, I take Tiny Chum cookies and move it around to see where I might place this. I do this with the cupcakes along the way too, because I don't want to commit too soon. To decorate, I apply white chocolate to the back of the bears like so. Do this individually because they cool quickly. Get them good on there. This is the same process for the mini cupcakes, which you might know if you've seen my rainbow mini cupcake birthday cake or Christmas version. Apply some bear cookies holding cupcakes and bears without cupcakes with some chocolate. Add some adorable cupcakes to the cake directly. super cute detail. For the final touches, let me tell you how I top the cake with a Hello Kitty cookie. I use lollipop sticks to poke through. I do this because I want to avoid any pressure on Hello Kitty's face. Add some peanut butter cups under Hello Kitty's face so she's looking over her birthday cupcakes. These will be hidden by the cupcakes. Push down to basically place Hello Kitty on the Reese's cups. Add balloons to the cake. Again, I mentioned these are so fragile, and sometimes things break, but I was holding the balloon instead of stick on some, and I kind of couldn't help it. Cupcakes from a birthday friend, Hello Kitty. Leave room for her hands. Her hands go towards the outside of her face. It's like she's about to grab her cupcakes. Of course, I add finishing touches to the cake like more cookies and more cupcakes. So some of you might know I solo film, so I'm apologizing that some of the addition of the topper was cut off a little while filming. Happy birthday! Whoa, MG. Hello Kitty birthday cake success! This cake project is a lot of steps, but no step is too hard. Okay, there will be no spinning of this cake because I needed to get photos for Ms. Hello Kitty and her friends, and I'm really clumsy and didn't want to knock anything over. After I got my photo, I removed the toppers to get the slicing done. Now you can see how vibrant the sprinkles are in the Funfetti confetti cake in all its glory. I love it! Yummy! Tastes so delicious. I'm really proud of this project and so appreciative for the experience with Hello Kitty. Please hit that bell notification to get my latest videos. It actually helps me make more videos you'll love. Bing! Coming up is a cake idea playlist that I'm always adding videos to. Thanks so much for watching and joining me. Bye! See you soon!